everyone, this is Tara and I am back again with one more unboxing. So what I'm unboxing today? I'm unboxing a very popular handbag from Bottega Veneta, which is called the It Bag of Bottega Veneta. So this bag is 2 year, not very old in the market, and this bag was not in my wish list, but I kind of like that bag, and that purchase was like random. I mean, it was never in my wish list, but yeah, being a bag lover, why not to have a very popular bag in my collection? And the reason why I bought this bag is because of the color. So you guys must have seen my shopping vlog, that short where I was shopping in the store, and finally now I'm unboxing with you all. So this, I have not opened the bag yet. I'll be unboxing with you guys. So let's first do the unboxing of the bag, then we'll talk about the bag later. So are you guys excited? I am very excited to use this bag. So first let me do the official unboxing with you all. Drum rolls. So let's begin. So this bag comes in this humongous packet from Bottega, and for bag they have not given any separate box like they do in other brands. The bag come in this cloth dust bag only, and they have given me this complimentary gift also with my purchase, which I'll show you later. Then along with that, there is this invoice. Okay, and let's talk about the price first. How insanely this bag is, they are increasing the price of this bag, and because of the popularity it has gained in short span of time, this is in every girl's wish list. And so now it was for 4,50,000 rupees 2 months back. Now it is for 5,15,000 rupees for this size of bag. So first let me do the official unboxing, then we will discuss the price later. So first let me tell you, this is the most popular Andiamo bag. So this bag comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium and large. And yeah, for this size of bag, which is called the Andiamo, so let me discuss the sizes first: large, medium and small. So medium size does not call medium in the Andiamo, it calls Andiamo, then large Andiamo and the small Andiamo. So let's so for this size of bag, it is now 15,15,000 rupees Indian currency, and in US it's 5,700 USD. So yeah, they actually has increased its price recently. So let's not waste any more time, and let's unveil which size and what color I have got. So let me tell you guys, I got this bag only mainly for the color and also for the popularity it is gaining. So why not to add this beauty in my collection? So unboxing looks like this, you guys. They have not given a separate box or something. So this is gonna be the unboxing. So this is let me reveal the back first. Are you guys exciting? Drum rolls please. Oh my god. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. So this is the Andiamo, the original size. This does not call the medium size. So practically this is the medium size, but this is Andiamo in medium, you can say, and in the beautiful cameo color. Okay, so let's unveil this beauty. So the beauty of this bag is everything basically, but this oh my god, look at this hardware. So this adds to the look, and so this is how the bag looks. I'm so happy that I added this bag in my collection. Look at this color. So the color played a major role in adding this to my collection. So this is my favorite size amongst three. It comes in large, this is medium, and the small. So this cost 515, the new price in India, 5,15,000, and in US it cost 5,700 USD. And whichever country from wherever you're watching, you can go to your official website and check the price. And yeah, this is Bottega, so no compromise with the leather quality. So this is the intrecciato detailing, the leather. This weaving is called intrecciato. So inside, let me go and show you. So inside, I'm feeling so happy, you guys, that I have done one more bag unboxing with my lovely YouTube family. So inside they have really stuffed this bag. So today I'm going out for an exhibition where I'll be carrying this bag. So I thought, let me do the unboxing first and carry this beauty with me. So inside also the quality is very high quality, you guys. Inside is also completely leather. There are some inner, not zipped, but compartment, and this inner pocket where you can keep your cards. And there is one inner zip also, and there are two compartments. Okay, and yeah, this strap is sliding strap, and you can wear this bag in various different sizes, styles. So yeah, you can wear this bag on your shoulder like this, or also you guys can remove this strap completely and make this strap as your belt, which I'm not gonna do. People wear this on their waist also, and by making this as a belt. And yeah, so this is called Andiamo top handle bag, you guys. So inside I'm showing you again. What a beautiful color. Drop me a comment and tell me, did you like this color, because I'm in love with this color. So this is the Andiamo top handle bag, and Bottega is now doing Andiamo in bucket style also. I have seen Andiamo pouch in Daisy. So this is their most popular Andiamo bag with top handle. Then again, the Andiamo clutch is also very popular. The entire range of Andiamo is becoming popular now, but this is the most popular bag from Bottega Veneta, the Andiamo range. And yeah, so what fits in, I think it's not required. As you guys can see, I think a laptop can fit easily, and you can fit enough bigger size phone, makeup pouch, whatever you need. It's a good size handbag, sunglasses, everything will fit here because it has quite the space. And you can take this bag on the crook of your arm or on your shoulder, but crossbody, the length is not that good. Yeah, so do let me know if you guys have any question. So it was a quick unboxing, not what fits in. I don't think what fits in requires, because it will fit a lot. Two makeup pouches, four card holders, two sunglasses. It has enough space. And what a beautiful and sophisticated and classy looking bag is this. So this was my quick unboxing with you all, my beautiful YouTube family. And do subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and drop me a heart and leave me a comment. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask. And do subscribe to my channel for more of bags unboxing videos. And if you guys are watching from India or anywhere from other part of the world, happy Diwali, you guys. Diwali is just round the corner, so this is my Diwali purchase. Although I'll be buying a few jewelry item in Dhanteras. For that also I'll be doing the unboxing. And yeah, later on I might do what fits in. So this was quick unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing videos. Do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.